Welcome to Best Buying Report. The Best Spinner Baits is probably one of the most versatile and effective lures in any angler's tackle box, capable of attracting a wide variety of predatory fish with its enticing flash and vibration. Whether you're targeting bass in freshwater or chasing aggressive predators in saltwater, a well-chosen spinner bait can make the difference between a slow day and a trophy catch. Its unique design mimics fleeing baitfish, triggering an instinctual strike response that makes it a go-to choice for both seasoned professionals and enthusiastic beginners alike, promising exciting action and rewarding results on the water. Number 5. Booyah Pond Magic Spinnerbait Bass Fishing Lure. This lure boasts unique head and blade color patterns. It creates a distinct look while maintaining its proven fish-catching action. Experience the vibration action that perfectly replicates a real crawl. This feature is designed to draw in your target fish. We've specialized in color and blade combinations. These have been hand-selected to mimic the natural forage found in smaller waters. It comes equipped with a Mustad Ultra .20 hook. This size is optimal for targeting bass. Featuring 60-strand ultrafine silicone skirts, this lure is designed for topwater fishing. It weighs 3/16 ounces, making it effective. What we like. This lure features matching head and blade colors for a unique look and vibration action that replicates real craws. If you're targeting bass in smaller bodies of water and want a lure that mimics natural forage, this is a fantastic choice. Its specialized color and blade combinations are designed for effectiveness in these specific conditions. What people say. The size is absolutely ideal for targeting bass in smaller bodies of water. It doesn't overwhelm the environment, but it definitely grabs attention. The skirt is durable and well made, and the blade spins smoothly even with a slow retrieve. After several outings and plenty of action, it's still holding up with minimal wear. The tandem Colorado willow blades throw just the right flash and vibration without overpowering tight spots like laydowns or grass edges. Paired with the 60-strand Bioflex skirt, it mimics tiny bluegill perfectly, landed a 4-pounder on my second cast in stained water. Mustad hook is razor sharp, and it runs true thanks to the ball-bearing swivel. Number 4. PLUSINNO Fishing Lures Spinner Baits. Introducing the PLUSINNO Fishing Lures Spinner Baits, your perfect companion for bass and trout fishing. This set is designed for convenience and safety during your outdoor adventures. This kit includes 16 high-quality spinner lures and a portable carry bag. It ensures your gear is organized and protected, making outdoor fishing more enjoyable. Each lure is equipped with sharp treble hooks and features brightly colored sleeves to attract fish. These are specifically designed to entice both bass and trout. Experience the premium quality of our blades, which provide continuous flash and vibration in the water. They are expertly crafted for effective bass and trout fishing. These versatile spinner fishing lures are suitable for both freshwater and saltwater environments. They come with a free carry bag, making them a favorite among fishermen and irresistible to fish. This set is an ideal gift for fishing enthusiasts, perfect for occasions like Christmas, Thanksgiving Day, or Father's Day. Give the gift of a great fishing experience. What we like. This kit offers great value with 16 spinner baits and a convenient carry bag, perfect for anglers who like variety. The sharp treble hooks and continuous flash and vibration make them effective for both bass and trout in various water conditions. If you're looking for a versatile set for different fishing trips and appreciate having everything organized, this is an excellent option. What people say. The case alone is perfect to take on longer backpacking trips. It has space on both sides for lures, a nice center container to place weights and hooks, and it comes with a carabiner to clip it to a pack. I can easily hook them side by side and had room for a large number of spoons, minnows, and spinners ranging in sizes from 1/24 ounces up to 2 5-ounces. Most of the spinners in this set are in the style of the MEP spin, which has been around since the 1950s and is probably one of the most well-known and successful spinner baits ever invented. The other lures in the box are in the style of the also very well-known and very successful Warden's original rooster tail. Number 3. Booyah Blade Spinnerbait Bass Fishing Lure. Experience the finest spinnerbaits, crafted with meticulous attention to detail. Every component is chosen for peak performance. Its flexible wire alloy frame generates maximum vibration, creating an irresistible signal to fish. Featuring a durable hard coat paint, lifelike 3D eyes, and flared gills. The 55-strand silicone skirt adds natural movement. Equipped with jeweler's grade gold and nickel-plated blades for superior flash, and a premium round bend hook for secure sets. If largemouth, smallmouth, or spotted bass are what you're after, this is the spinnerbait you need. What we like. Built with a flex wire alloy frame for maximum vibration, this spinnerbait is designed to attract aggressive strikes. Its jeweler's grade blades and premium hooks ensure durability and performance. If your target is largemouth, smallmouth, or spotted bass, and you want a high-quality lure that excels in generating enticing vibrations, this is the spinnerbait for you. What people say. Perfect action for bass. Works great. Great spinnerbait works great, didn't roll well made. Number 2. 6 PCS base spinnerbaits for fishing. This set includes 6 spinnerbaits designed for various fish like bass, trout, salmon, and more. Each lure is crafted for effective fishing in different conditions. Weighing 0.46 ounces and measuring between 3.15 to 4.72 inches, these lures are ideal for all swimming layers. They are designed to attract a wide range of predatory fish. Each bait comes with a razor-sharp 4-carbon steel treble hook, ensuring a secure catch. They are perfect for targeting bass, trout, walleye, northern pike, and salmon. While often retrieved shallow, these lures excel when crawled across the bottom. Try a slow, deep lift and drop method for maximum effectiveness. The premium quality blades provide constant flash and vibration, making them irresistible to fish. They are specifically designed for bass and trout fishing. This package includes 6 spinner baits in assorted colors, making them a great gift for any fisherman. They are perfect for catching largemouth bass and other game fish. What we like. This set of 6 spinnerbaits offers a versatile size and sharp carbon steel hooks, making them great for a variety of predatory fish like bass, trout, and salmon. They are particularly effective when crawled across the bottom or fished in a slow, deep lift and drop manner. If you enjoy bottom contact fishing or need lures that can handle different depths and species, this multicolor pack is a solid choice. What people say. They are a bit thinner than some other lures, but that allows for them to have a bit more action in their movements through the water. Variety of colors and they catch a variety of fish. The paint is good, the jig head design is nice. The hook is good and sharp, the wire doesn't bend like it's made of tin or something, and unlike other cheap spinnerbaits, the elastic band holding the skirts on aren't too big for the lure. Action looked good in the water, had plenty of potential. Weight allowed for accurate casting. Number 1. Spinnerbait Base Fishing Lure Kit. Introducing our spinnerbait kit, featuring 6 popular colors perfect for bass, pike, and walleye fishing all season long. Each lure is designed for optimal performance. Experience superior performance with its unique design. The smooth-running swivel and clevis allow 360 degrees blade rotation, creating enticing underwater flash and vibration. Crafted with premium components, these lures boast electroplated blades that flash brightly and resist fading. The sharp hooks ensure a better hookup ratio, while the durable skirts attract more fish. These lures are highly effective when retrieved shallow, but also excel when crawled across the bottom or fished with a slow, deep lift and drop technique. Designed to attract a wide variety of predatory fish, including perch, pike, and bass. They are suitable for use in all seasons and make a great gift for any angler. What we like. Featuring a unique design with a smooth-running swivel for unrestricted blade rotation, this spinnerbait kit creates significant flash and vibration to efficiently attract fish. The electroplated blades and sharp hooks enhance its effectiveness. If you're looking for lures that generate a lot of commotion underwater and are suitable for various predatory fish and seasons, this kit is an excellent way to boost your catch rate. What people say. The spinnerbait has a realistic baitfish profile with a durable finish. It features a premium treble hook and a weedless design, making it effective in various fishing conditions. The blade provides excellent flash and vibration, attracting fish effectively. You can find the Amazon purchase link in the description below. Hope this video can be helpful to you. Thanks for watching.